So first I want just to say sorry for my wigs, it's just a pure mess, but right there I just start with my eyes, but I remember that I have to block my eyebrows, and this is my first time, guys, so just be kind. So right there I just take some glue and just glue them on my face, and I just take some loose powder to powder them, you know. So just because I have pretty dark brows, I'm gonna color correct my brows with some orange concealer. So if you are lucky and you have like super light brows, you're not obligated to do this. So now for fun time, I'm gonna mix my light blue and my dark blue paint from my Makeup Forever Flash Dew palette. So I just mix the two shades and I blend this with some cheap sponge from drugstore because I don't want to mess up my sponge. After I put the right amount of paint, I'm gonna set everything with some loose powder because it's pretty tacky, I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm gonna draw my new brows. So first I was going to do like this with some liquid liner, but it's just too risky for me, so I first draw everything with a white liner because if you messed up, it's more easy to remove than a black liner, obviously. And I'm gonna also draw some few lines in my forehead because she had like a bruise in her forehead, so I'm gonna recreate this. Now it's the time to be super stressed because I was using a liquid liner to do my brows and I just can't remove everything if it's messed up, so I was pretty stressed about this. So yeah, you can see it in my face. Now I'm gonna take some eyeshadow. So this is like a dark blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm just gonna pack the eyeshadow on my lids and putting that pretty high on my lids and just blend the edges with the same brush. So now I'm just gonna put the same eyeshadow under my fake eyes to mimic that I have dark circles and I'm dead also. So now I'm just gonna draw my hole in my jaw with some liquid liner and I'm gonna fill this with some NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade black. And I'm gonna just set everything with my black eyeshadow. To add like more 3 dimension with this hole, I'm just gonna put some line and shading everything to look like I have a hole, not like a black spot on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna do my shading. So this is my blue eyeshadow that I put on my eyes again, and I'm just gonna put this like a contour shade, and I'm just gonna put a little bit more rounder on my face because she has pretty big cheeks. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my nose because she has a super tiny nose, so I'm gonna create the illusion that I had a super tiny nose. Now I'm gonna just do the contour of my eyes with the same liner again, and I'm gonna do also fake lashes again with the same liner. Just because I put cream under my eyes and I'm a old lady, I need to set this cream with some white powder, and keep that in mind that if you put a lot of cream to your face, set everything, because if you want your makeup to stay all night long, you need to set this to not look like a mess. And now I'm gonna put the same white eyeshadow and just do my highlight stuff on my face. Right there, I'm just gonna put some blue eyeshadow that I put again on my eyes. I'm just gonna take a little bit of a blue-green eyeshadow to mimic like a bruise. And I'm gonna do a little bit of shading of this hole on my cheeks. Now, because they have so tiny like neck, I'm gonna create this with some black paint and just create a shadow that my neck looks so tiny. And the last thing, lips. So I'm just gonna put some liquid lipstick in a pink kind of shade. And for mimicking a round cheek, I'm gonna put some pink blush just on my cheeks. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial of this recreation of the Corpse Bride from Tim Burton. So just keep that in mind that this is my first time of everything, like my first time that I block my brows, my first time that I do something that big that's not beauty related. So I hope you think it's look not so bad, not like my wigs right now, because my wigs is just a freaking nightmare. So if you like this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this kind of video, that I will be more and more good at it. I hope. We'll see you soon. Bye.